In this video, we're going to be checking out this toilet seat that's easy to install. We're going to go and set it up and install it in my bathroom. So just wanted to show you what it looks like. So out of the box, you get this is your toilet seat, and take this plastic wrapping off of it so you can see what all you get, because the little pieces are in here. But as you can see, it's a toilet seat with a lid. It is padded on the bottom, so whenever you shut the toilet seat, it is padded, and then it's padded up here as well, where this connects up here. Another thing I wanted to show you was a lot of people don't like touching toilet seats whenever they're going to use the restroom. This one actually has a little handle built onto the side right here, so you can just grab this little handle and pull it up or set it down. So that's that. Now, as far as the installation goes, it does have an instruction manual here for you on how to do that, walking you through each step of the installation. And then you do have your different pieces in here that are going to be a part of the installation. So this is one of those ones where you're going to connect these pieces to the toilet first through the hole, and then once that's there, you're able to lock the toilet seat in place on top of it. So I will get this set up and we'll go from there. So come over here and look, you can see I'm going with this setup with these. And so basically you've got these pieces right here. I put the little rubber mats on them, so we're going to put those on. I'm just going to set them on there. It doesn't really matter because we're going to measure it once we get these tightened up a little bit. We're not going to tighten this all the way. It said to put these on loosely. And so I'm just going to get it going real quick. And once we get these just on and in place, we're going to use that piece of paper that came with it to measure it out to make sure that our pegs are in the right place. So that's on there, not too tight to where I can still adjust that. We do the same thing on the other side. I can do the screwdriver in my hand. So that's in place there. So now we're going to put this on here, and this is going to help us line up where we need the toilet seat. So obviously we're going to need to go this way with it, just off of just the initial look. So I put that a little bit too tight. Let me loosen that just a little bit. I don't know, bottom of it's holding it down really well. I guess that's a good thing, right? So that means your toilet seat won't be sliding. So I feel like we're gonna have to go more that angle right there. I'm gonna make sure that your little rubber thing is in place all the way. So I feel like that's a little bit better. Let's see, you put this on. Nope, we're gonna have to go in a little bit more. So this is very hard to adjust with these little rubber pieces on the bottom because that's what sticks into place to keep it from moving. So we're gonna work with it. Into place there, in place there. Let's see here. So we're getting closer. We need to adjust this with the paper on it. We need to go up some more this way. Okay, I think I got it just about where I want it. Let me check this one more time. That's on there. It's going right to the edge of the toilet on both sides. So we're gonna roll with that mark right there. So now we're gonna tighten these things down. I've got my finger holding the bottom so it's not spinning, and then I'm screwing this in here. So you can just see you're going to get that on there as tight as you can. Then we're going to go the other direction with this one. Okay, now we have those. We're going to cover those with these so you don't see that. And then from there, what you're going to do is you want to line this up properly to where when the lid is closed, this should be facing down. I'm going to line that one up there, push this to get that on, and you're locked in place there. So there you go. So you can take these little stickers off of here, because that was just for storage purposes. But as you can see, got the toilet on, closed, and I'll let you come over here and look over. It's a real clean look there. You're able to raise the seat, and again, you have the little handle there to raise that up, and you're good to go. So looking for a easy to install toilet, highly recommend checking this one out.